What are you calling my phone for? Go back to the bitch you love so much and leave me the fuck alone.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Chose back again with another video, man. Hey, we using the mics right now. It's just a little test because I never used them before. Hey, Chico, come here. We're gonna be letting little Iron draw today. How you feel?
Good.
Feel good? You ain't gonna crash my shit, I want.
Yeah, I'm not.
Nigga, what?
No, I'm not.
If you crash me, I don't know. But y'all, man, we on the mics today with it. We finna let, actually, get him the camera. Here, get over here. We finna let Bambino drive today, man. We finna teach him how to drive. You can't drive. I can drive. You drive, bro. I can drive. How long you been driving?
15 years.
Yeah, you 12.
I'm not 12. 13.
Alright, stop on the camera, bro. Lift it up, short man. Yeah. We know you like 3 inches and 5. Bro. You can do dude. Like that, bro. Oh my god. But yeah, but we finna be letting Bambino drive today, man. Finna teach you. Show them the lot. Show them around the lot. Yeah, we got all this land. This is my church, by the way. Show them the church. Know what I'm saying? Y'all put it on me. Y'all, if the camera angles ass, blame Iron. You short, bro. Get back to Bebo. But alright, man. About to show this man how to drive. I'm on the wireless mics right now because it's hella windy outside. Get him. Ooh, get me. Ooh, damn. I missed. Hit that bitch. Hey, come here. Bing. Ooh. But nah, man. Hey, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. You hit that subscribe button. You always trying to hoop. You can't hoop. Man, we is in the car with Bambino. You look like Blade assistant. Hey, I should bake you. You was baking my boots. Bro.
He got them from Walmart.
Oh God, I did. I don't wear them, so. But yeah, man, YouTube, we finna teach Bam how to drive, man. Hopefully you don't crash my car, bro.
I'll try not to.
Don't crash my car, bro. That's me, air freshener. All right, man, do not crash my car.
Motherfucker down, motherfucker SRT, Johnny.
It's the Hell Kitty, Johnny. It's that
Honda Kitty.
It's the Hell Kitty. That's what I'm saying.
Kitty.
Yeah, man. So, all right, calm down. Back up. Sit back. All right. So before I'm finna teach you the basics. Listen, look, pay attention. You got your reverse. Take the glasses off, bro. You ain't finna smack, man.
I'm not.
Listen.
I know park, reverse, neutral, drive. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know what them. Look, reverse. Yeah, seatbelt first, safety first. Safety is first.
Jenny,
Y'all know.
Oh, you got more glasses like this?
Somebody let their dog out, bro. He done there calling the police, bro. That dog was not just out, wasn't it?
That dog ugly too. It looks like Ronnie.
Alright, come on. If anything, man. But alright. That ugly ass dog. That dog's ugly as a bitch. Look at this ugly ass dog. See, but y'all, we gonna trust our instincts. We gonna go somewhere else, bro. Cause that dog was just not out here, bro. Come on, we gonna go somewhere else. We got our trust. Take T-Bell though. Alright, YouTube, man. So we found another lot, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all on the way to this one. Tell them what we seen.
Police.
We seen the police, bro. You know what I'm saying? You always follow your first instinct, bro. Follow the first thing that comes in your mind. Like, I just knew it, bro. It was too sus. And then they got this little carnival. But yeah, what I was saying was, man, bro, these people need to move. He done there learning how to drive too and shit. Let's see, if he turned left, he definitely is. Oh God, he learned how to drive. He learned how to drive, man. He learned how to drive. But anyway, chat, we found a new lot. He definitely teaching him how to drive. But y'all, we found a new lot, man. Couldn't teach Bam how to drive, so. Nah, he's using blinkers and a lot. He learned how to drive too. So we teaching Bambino how to drive, man. So, bro,
ain't that tall, man.
It's more. I know, scoot your, know what I'm saying? Scoot your chair up. Feel me?
I ain't finna drive like no bad.
Bro, we gonna drive.
I ain't finna drive like no bad.
You driving like a bad bitch. Look how close you see.
I'm driving like no bad. There you go.
Good work. So, you got your brake, your gas. When you go, don't press the gas. The gas is not like, it's not like no, you press the gas and it goes slow. It's gonna, however hard you press the gas, how fast you gonna go. So just like press the brake, not all the way, just press it a little bit and then let off of it and the car gonna start rolling by itself. Is you listening, bro?
Yeah.
Bro, you gotta
Bro.
listen.
You better not, bro. I swear to God, though. If you crash, bro. If you crash, come on. Why he looking? He ugly. Alright, come on. Put your seatbelt on, man. Put your seatbelt on. I'm scared. Y'all pray for me. Wait, bro. Get your feet off. Nigga, move that foot. You don't use your left
I don't
foot.
use this one?
No. Put your left foot over there. No, now put your feet on the brake.
This one?
Yes, put it on the brake. Hold it, go down. Okay. Now while you hold it, you gonna put it in drive. Don't let your foot go off brake. Okay, you gotta press brake, press the button. You feel this button? Press that button. It's in drive. Now keep your foot on the brake. Now, I don't know what bro doing, so look. Turn right. Yeah, turn. Keep turning, dog. Keep turning. Turn more. Don't let your foot off the brake. Keep turning. Now straighten out. It's just like driving. Yeah, now straight. Keep going straight. Okay.
Alright,
Now turn. Yeah, keep your foot on the brake. Turn. Turn. Okay, now straighten out. Straighten out.
Alright, turn this way.
Yeah, just turn that way. Yeah, now, all right, now
Dude, why is it
go.
going so slow?
Now speed up, cause you gotta, nigga.
Oh shit.
That's the brake. Put your foot on the gas.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you gonna feel that power. Now remember, stop. Press brake. Press the brake. Press the brake. But let go of the gas. Let go of the gas. Okay. Now press the gas slow. Turn. Just turn. Turn, Juddy. Turn more. All right, now straighten out.
Alright, Jenny, I'm not, bro. Yes.
Stop.
Scare me.
Press the brake. Put your foot on the brake. Turn, bro. Put your foot on the brake. But slow. You going too fast, nigga.
Oh.
Nigga,
Brake.
press the brake, bro. Oh my God, dog.
Jenny.
Hold the brake, bro. Hold the
I'm on the
brake.
brake.
You in park, dog. What are you doing?
Alright, you said this is the brake.
You using your left foot. You only use your right foot. You don't use your left foot. Don't use the left foot, dog. You nervous? That was fun.
Yeah, Jenny, I want to do it again, Jenny. I want to go again.
All right. Straighten out. Okay, put your foot on the brake.
On the brake.
Yep. Drive. Don't ease off the gas, out the brake, and go. Now press the gas a little bit. Wait, let that car go. Stop. Don't stop moving. Press the brake. Nigga, that's too hard.
Too hard, nigga.
Damn, now go. Oh, turn your wipers on. Oh, that kind of messed it up too, but just go. Oh, these buffers, bro. I should get that. All right. Go faster. A little bit.
Gas?
Yeah, not hard. Just go. You going so slow. There. Go.
Driving like Grandma, please. Grandma be driving slow.
Okay. Okay, now you stay at this speed. You don't have to press it down all the way. You just press it a little bit. It's gonna let you go. Now press on the gas. I mean the brake. My fault. Brake. Slow. Yeah. Now turn right. Let's see if you can turn right. Turn right. Okay. Brake. Straighten out. All right. Now go. Go straight.
Pretty sure they want to see this.
See what?
Hey,
This
Jenny,
thing is really bright. All right, slow down. On turn. You gotta slow down on your turns. You don't wanna be speeding on your turns. Your turns a little wide.
Oh shit, Johnny. Johnny.
All right, go straight. Go straight.
How fast?
Just like this. We in the parking lot. You don't need to go fast. It's a speed limit. I know it's raining. This man driving while it's raining, y'all. It's crazy. You not low, good. Dog with the seat back. You not low.
I'm too
All right,
short.
slow down. Stop. You're at the stop sign. No, turn left.
This way?
Yeah. Straighten up. Go. You can go look. Okay. Slow. Nigga, straighten out. You gotta straighten out as you turn it, bro. It's not gonna straighten out and turn this way.
This way?
Yeah. No, straighten out you turn like hood. Cause oh my god, he tryna stop, bro. Stop.
I'm not doing it on
Okay,
purpose.
stop. Just stop, bro. Stop, nigga. Break.
I'm going. You said not too hard. Don't press it too hard.
All right. That's enough for today, man. That's enough. Come on.
Oh, Johnny know how to drive. Good. Johnny know how to drive. He know how to drive, bro.
That's enough for today, man. This dude, he go smack you too. Oh my god. Hey, man, I'm W driver inspector, man. I'm W driver inspector. Come on, man. Y'all need to know how to drive. Hit up your boy channels, man. Stop playing. You a midget. Dang. We got a whole video right there, man. But we finna go to Grand Crib. You know what I'm saying? This is a W little video. You know what I'm saying? Get the pro driver. This is how you tip, chat. You know what I'm saying? I think. So I need. Need some more juice, I done ran out of lean. Need some more tens, I done ran out of lean. What the fuck? Hey man, y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, man. Charles coming all summer, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't promote reckless driving. You know what I'm saying? But we gotta get to the crib. We gotta get to the crib. Yeah, man. Gotta get to the crib, man. But hey, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. You know if I should keep doing bangers with my little niggas, you feel me? And we just gonna keep going crazy all summer 2023, man. We about to hit 3K. About to hit 3K. It's gonna be a movie, chat. It's gonna be a real life movie, man. I'm gonna see y'all boys. Let me see. You know what I'm saying? See y'all boys. See y'all boys in the next one, man.